clearly infrastructure was a major focal point in this year's Union Budget 2021, as the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman mentioned the word infrastructure incidentally 57 times in her speech. So a lot of announcements made for the infrastructure sector, starting off with significantly enhancing the capital expenditure to 5.5 lakh crores in the next fiscal, besides creating institutional structures as well as giving a major thrust to monetizing assets in order to achieve the goals of the National Infrastructure Pipeline, or NIP. The Finance Minister said that NIP was launched in December 2019 with 6,835 projects. Now it's been expanded to 7,400 projects and about 217 projects worth 1.10 lakh crores under some of the key infrastructure ministries that have been completed. She announced that NIP is a specific target which the government is committed to achieving in the coming years, which will require a major increase in funding from the government as well as from the financial sector. And this will be done by creating institutional structures, a major thrust on monetizing assets, as well as enhancing the share of capital expenditure in the central and state budgets. The Finance Minister announced that a sum of 2,000 crore rupees will be provisioned in the budget in order to capitalize the development financial institution, or DFI, and the ambition is to have a lending portfolio of about 5 lakh crores for DFI in the next 3 years, and there will be a bill as well that will be introduced to set up the DFI, which is going to be a catalyst for the infrastructure financing. She announced National Modernization Plan as well. This is for potential brownfield infrastructure assets, saying that monetizing the operating public infrastructure asset is going to be very important as a financing option. An asset monetization dashboard will be created for tracking the progress for investors. She also said that the National Highways Authority as well as Power Grid each will have a sponsored InvIT that's going to attract international as well as domestic institutional investors. There's going to be 5 operational roads with an estimated enterprise value of 5,000 crores being transferred to NHAI's InvIT, and transmission assets worth close to 7,000 crore rupees will be transferred to the Power Grid InvIT. She also said that a lot of steps will be taken in order to monetize airports for operations and management concession. Railways will monetize dedicated freight corridors for operations, maintenance as well as commissioning. The Finance Minister regarding highways said that 13,000 kilometers length of roads at a cost of 3.3 lakh crores have been awarded under the 5.5 lakh crore Bharatmala Pariyojana, of which 3,800 kilometers have been constructed. To strengthen urban infrastructure, a new scheme is going to be announced worth close to 18,000 crore rupees, and major ports as well will be moving from managing their operational services on their own to a model where there's going to be a private partner to manage this, for which 2,000 crores will be offered by major ports on a public-private partnership model.